be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. I was taught that the way of progress was neither swift nor easy. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. One never notices what has been done, one can only see what remains to be done. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. I am among those who think that science has great beauty.
A scientist in his laboratory is not a mere technician. He is also a child confronting natural phenomena that impress him as though they were fairy tales. If I see anything vital around me, it is precisely that spirit of adventure, which seems indestructible and is akin to curiosity. I am one of those who think like Nobel, that humanity will draw more good than evil from new discoveries. I have frequently been questioned, especially by women, of how I could reconcile family life with a scientific career. Well, it has not been easy. After all, science is essentially international, and it is only through lack of the historical sense that national qualities have been attributed to it. There are sadistic scientists who hurry to hunt down errors instead of establishing the truth. All my mind was centered on my studies, which, especially at the beginning, were difficult. In fact, I was insufficiently prepared to follow the physical science course at the Sorbonne. For, despite all my efforts, I had not succeeded in acquiring in Poland a preparation as complete as that of the French students following the same course. In science, we must be interested in things, not in persons. When radium was discovered, no one knew that it would prove useful in hospitals. The work was one of pure science. I have no dress except the one I wear every day. If you are going to be kind enough to give me one, please let it be practical and dark so that I can put it on afterwards to go to the laboratory. And this is a proof that scientific work must not be considered from the point of view of the direct usefulness of it.